This is a Bull Taco. This bike's got a lot of racing history. Ray McCulloch. It was his own personal bike. He won the Northwest 200 and the Ulster Grand Prix on that actual bike. We've got all the fairings, we've got the photographs. It's Ray's actually seen photographs of that bike. Yeah, a lot of history with that. BSA Gold Star, Suzuki T500, seminal bikes again. Norton's, this one's a really nice, what they call an international Norton, 1937. Beautifully done. Swedish Husqvarna. Husqvarna are one of the oldest companies in the world, set off making armaments in Sweden in the 1600s, and they're still going now, albeit the company's branched into two divisions. One does garden equipment and white goods, and the other one still makes motorcycles, but they're made in Austria now. KTM own the brand for the motorcycle division, but Husqvarna are a great make. And then more Italian stuff, Ducati, Certum, that's quite rare, Benelli, and this one's really unusual. Italjet, that's the only time Triumph have ever supplied motorcycle engines to another company. They only made 900 of those. 600 went to Australia, I believe, and America, and then the rest went to Europe and Australia, but super rare. We think that's the only one in the UK. Kawasaki, that's one of their first bikes from the late 60s. Very advanced, really fast, rotary valve induction, Kawasaki Samurai. So there you have it.